feel like a drowned rat. It's been raining all day.
Well,
we're here in our little tiny home.
Yes. So
it's tiny.
It's been 7 days today. We left 7 days ago.
It hasn't been 7.
It's been 7 days since we left Montana, and we didn't do hardly any filming at all.
No.
When we left. We just focused on getting here to get the rig fixed. We had to wake up this morning at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
So that they could have it at 6:30. And, well, more about that later.
3, 2, 1, action.
This is our Airbnb tiny home.
It's called Whispering Cottage number 3.
It's in Shipshewana, and it's a cute little place. I have to tell you that I'm not very positive about the fact that it's not set up for a long-term stay. But it is better than a hotel room.
It is, yeah.
And it's bigger than a hotel room, really.
And we're making it work.
We're going to make it work.
Which is important.
We're going to make it work.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Yeah.
It's nice for a little weekend getaway, which is what I think it was originally built for. But I don't know. We're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna see what happens.
Yeah. Yes. There's a hot plate, a 2-burner hot plate. There's a little microwave.
Sink, bathroom, shower,
and the tiny fridge, which I was really pleasantly surprised, and I wish now I would have brought all my meat because I wasn't sure about the freezer because we have food in the fifth wheel, and I don't even have it halfway full. So, and tiny refrigerator with fruit and stuff in it, and vegetables. So
we've got some things that we brought that we really don't need. So we're going to take them back to Big Red. We parked Big Red at the service center. They had extra parking there so we could park Big Red.
Oh, so grateful for that.
We got a lot of stuff in Big Red. It's jam-packed. The whole top bunk is packed. I need to go get a few things. We need to take a few things back that we really didn't need to bring in here.
Well, we didn't know what they have in here, so we brought stuff just in case, but now we don't need it.
So we're going to go do that, and then we're going to come back, and we haven't showered in 3 days. So it's...
And then it poured today.
And it poured.
And it's humid. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. So, yeah, I feel like a dirty rat.
So we're going to go run grits and swap some stuff out at Big Red, and then we're going to come back here and probably just chill out for the rest of the night. Alicia from Rolling Retreats was supposed to come and meet us here. We're just outside of Elkhart. We're in Shipshewana. And she was going to come and take us to the dealer show in Elkhart. And now she said they canceled her flight. So I don't know what's going to happen. We're waiting to hear from her. But we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen.
We're hoping.
Yep. Because she's a lot of fun to travel with.
Well, we haven't seen her in a long time, so we miss her.
Yep. Well, here we are, Shipshewana, Indiana.
Happy fall, y'all.
You like it here, don't you?
I do. I really do. It's clean, it's pretty. The horses and the carriages and the Amish people and the Mennonites, it's just cool.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of carriages come and go up and down the road. I mean, they're everywhere.
Yeah, there's one coming right now.
Yeah, there's one coming down the road. You're right.
You'll hear the clip-clop.
So we pulled in. This is just a really quick video, you guys, just to update you on what's going on. We pulled into the service facility, and we actually got here a day before we had anticipated.
Yes.
It was a 2,000-mile trip, 1,900 and some odd miles, but we did it in 5 days. It was a long haul.
It was, but it was a blur.
It was a blur. It was. That's a good way to put it. It was a blur.
It was just a blur this whole trip.
We stopped off in Rapid City, South Dakota to get an alignment. More on that later. long story short, the techs looked at it and said, well, you've got some issues. Well, I've got bad news and I've got bad news. And so anyway,
Well, let's just do the bad news,
yeah.
right?
So he got us, the guys at Rapid City, Rapid Tire and Alignment got us back on the road so that our tire wouldn't wear unevenly and blow on us down the trip. We'll go into detail on that a little bit later, but we made it here fine. The coach is in, we're doing this real time, guys. The coach is in the service facility. We don't have any updates other than it went in at dark 30
Yes.
Monday
Very early,
morning.
Very, very early.
And they've got it. They were going to take a day to tear it down. Then they were expecting 2 days for Lippert to come in and do the welding. We don't have any updates, I'm sorry to say, at this point.
Well, the only update we had was they had to tear our boogie lights out.
Yeah, that's true. Our boogie lights on the bottom of the
which is
coach.
sad.
But they have it. Supposedly Lippert was in there Tuesday and Wednesday to weld on it. I have not had an update since. We're scheduled to get it back sometime next week, late next week. So we are in the tiny house.
We are.
And
it's tiny.
yeah, we've been real busy since we've been here too. We've been trying to reestablish relationships with some of the folks that we know in the RV industry here in Elkhart.
It's been a great time.
It has. We're trying to learn, and we'll share that with you as soon as we get more information.
Yeah.
But so far, things are going real well, aren't they?
It is. It really is. And the weather's been very
Wet.
very humid here.
Yep.
And, and
rain and more rain
hot, wet, and humid.
Yep.
So
Yep.
there you go.
But anyway, we just wanted to update you guys. We did make it safely. We
Yes.
are here. We are in our rental. Like I say, just a real quick video update, guys. And we're going to give you hopefully some more information. So when we get it back, when we get the rig back from the service facility, I have scheduled an appointment with MoRide on our alignment issue, on our independent suspension issue. And again, I just don't have time to go into detail on that yet, guys. We will tell you probably, hopefully next week what's going on.
Yeah.
We've just been so busy.
Mm-hmm, we have. Here comes another one.
There, yep,
They're the nicest
another
people.
carriage.
They're sweet. I'm in my happy place.
Okay.
My other happy place.
All right, we're going to wrap this one up from Shipshewana, Indiana.
It all starts with an idea.
Take those ideas, turn them into reality, make some memories.
That's right.
Updates later, guys. God bless you all. Thanks
Love
for
you
your
guys.
prayers. We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.